My question is, what does the promised Messiah alayhi salam do for a living before he got married?
His father actually appointed 3 teachers for him who gave him education. And when he completed that traditional education, then his father arranged for his job in the government department in the court. And he lived there in Sialkot. He served there in the court, and this was his source of income. But even then, at that time, when he was doing some job there in Sialkot, he would always debate with the Christian priests. And there are quite a number of Christian priests with whom he had debates. So, from the very early youth, he used to preach and would debate with Christians. So he was a great champion of Islam at that time even. And he used to earn money from that job. And his father was a very well-off and affluent person and a landlord of that area. So when his father died, he inherited some property from him, and later on from his brothers as well. And whatever he would earn, he used to spend it on the people, on those people who used to come to visit him for their hospitality. He had 2 wives. First, he got married when he was quite young, during his father's time, and he had 2 sons from that first wife. And later on, he married a second wife, and he had some children from her, and 5 of them lived a long life. And at that time, his source of income was his property, which he inherited from his parents and brothers, right?